I'm going to show you how to solve problems using synthetic vision. My name is Freddie Johnson, and here we go. Sorry, I have a little cold. Okay. Here we have a problem 3x squared minus 2x squared minus 61x minus 20. And then divided by x minus 5. This problem is fairly simple, straightforward. Synthetic division is really straightforward by itself. Okay, you have a -5. You're going to make this a +5. You're always going to switch the sign when it's dividing. So it's -5. Well, -5 becomes +5. You put that right there. See, you have a 3 here. You have a -2. You have a -61, -20. Okay, you're going to put that in order up here. So -3. Well, no, +3, I'm sorry. -2, -61, and negative 20. It's a 20. Sorry, it's a 2. From here, you're going to bring that down. That becomes 3, stays at 3. And then you're going to multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus -2 is 13. 13 times 5 is 65. 65, and this becomes 4. Okay, because you're adding. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus -20 is 0. Okay, from here, see, it's just multiply. That becomes back down. Multiply. It's like cross multiplying, but it's not exactly cross multiply. Well, there's a different term for it. I don't know. Okay, it's not important. Okay, what's important is doing this. So here's 3, but here it's going to be 3x squared instead of 3x cubed. You're always going to go down in a variable. So it's 3x squared. Then this is 13x, not 13x squared, 13x, because you're going to go down 13x, and then plus 4. Here's your final answer. In this problem, there's no remainder. The remainder is 0, so there's no remainder. On to the next problem or example. Example 2. Okay, here we have x to the 4th, which is x to the 4th minus x squared plus 5. Okay, in this problem, we're missing some stuff. We're missing an x cubed and an x. When you have a problem like this, you're going to set it up like normal. Okay, it's 1x, but then you're going to put a 0 in place of the x cubed because you need to fill in those spots. And then x, then 0, for there's no x there, and then 5. Again, change this to a -3. Bring down the 1. 1 times -3 is -3, -3. -3 times -3 is +9. It becomes 8. 8 times -3 is -24. -24 plus 0 is 24. Oh, -24. -24. -24 times -3 is 72. Positive 72, because the negative times the negative is a positive. And this becomes 77. Okay? Because 5 plus that is 7. Okay? Here it becomes x. X squared, or x cubed, -3x squared, 8x minus 24. And then you're going to have a remainder because it's 77. Remainder 77. Okay, since the remainder is 77, you're going to put 77 here. Because the 77 is positive, it's going to be 77 x plus 3. There's a plus sign there. This is your, that one was pretty complicated. Alright, again, we have another one with a remainder, but it's quite easier than what we just did. Okay, here we have x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Again, plus 2. Okay, because you're switching that. 1, 1, negative 2, negative 2, 3, 3, negative 4, negative 4. Bring this down. 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus negative 2 is 0. 0 times that is 0. 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus negative 4 is 2. This is x squared, because you're taking it down each time. X squared, 0, there is no squared, x squared, because it's 0. So you're going to do plus 3, and then 2 plus 2x minus 2. Remainder goes on top, this goes on bottom, because that goes on bottom. This goes on top, when there's remainder, that goes on bottom. Thank you.